From a young age, I was always drawn to the creativity of baking and cooking. The smells, the creative possibilities, it fascinated me. I enrolled in Milton Keynes College's Pastry and Professional Cookery programme to hone my skills and turn my passion into a career. The turning point came with the opportunity to become a part of the Silverstone partnership through the college. It was a chance to challenge myself, learn from industry experts and showcase my talents. During my time at Milton Keynes College, the kitchen became my home. The long hours, intense pressure and demanding curriculum tested me. But I persisted, pushed through setbacks and self-doubt. It was a constant balancing act between theory and practical. Then in competition, I had the opportunity to prove myself. Months of preparation, refining my techniques and creating a masterpiece paid off. With the support of my college mentors, I confidently presented my signature dessert, capturing the judges' attention and winning the PIDI and Young Pastry Chef competition. Reflecting on my journey, Milton Keynes College has been instrumental in shaping my career. What I have learned and hands-on training provided a solid foundation. The college's network and guidance opened doors to apprenticeships and industry connections. Today, I am proud as a successful professional, grateful for the invaluable education and experiences that propelled me forward.